and today we will be assembling the Hiro LT massage chair. To begin, you will want to find your 3 connections, the 2 wired and 1 air hose. Note, one connection will have 8 pins, the other connection will have 13. You will want to find the corresponding plugs at the base of the chair. Find the pin connections and assemble those first. Once the pin connections have been made, lastly connect the air hose. Then you'll want to find the mounting holes and the mounting posts. Bring the footrest close. You'll want to lift. Make sure the posts are aligned. Start with the left side first, then the right, and slide all the way to the left. Once the footrest is on, notice the grooves on the ends of the mounting posts. Find your circlips. Take the double end towards the chair. Push in. Same thing on the other side. Once done, you'll find the zipper. And you're good to go.